Right now we're at the Wagh Bakri Tea Lodge in Vileparla East. This place is very homely, very comfortable to be at, with friends, with family, all those people you know. You can come here, have a nice layback day, and it's got some 27 types of tea. Let's do one thing. Let's start from iced teas. They look very yum and very tempting. The first one is Blue Darjeeling iced tea. The second is Strawberry iced tea. The third is Kiwi. Fourth is Mango iced tea. And the fifth is Mint citrus. Let's try with Darjeeling Blue iced tea. It looks very colorful and very tempting. Quite good indeed. Tea and mixed citrus, fruit, blue color, taste. Oh, it looks yum and tastes all the more better. Well, the iced teas out here are really nice. Now let's go and find out more about the regular teas and what people prefer here. Now that I've tried all the iced teas out here, I thought I might as well ask people around here what they like to try. I mean, my choice obviously is not going to be taken. So I thought I'll ask few of the regular customers here. Hi, I'm Revati.
Hi, Akash.
And you are? Okay, do you come to this place quite often?
Yeah, actually whenever we meet, we normally meet over here, otherwise this is just my chilling point.
Oh, meeting place come chilling point. I like that. So what do you usually have here? Which tea?
If you ask me, the masala chai is the favorite over here because the cool temperature, the lower temperature and the garam chai. It's a good combination over here.
Masala tea is very much the favorite out here. Let's go find out from other people as well.
I always have green tea.
Green tea?
Yeah.
Alright, and do you want...
Being a person who stays in Parla, I'm very lucky that I have a tea lounge here, very close by, and I get green tea. I normally don't have the milk-based tea.
Okay.
But get lots of friends out here, and it's always, you know, I know the variety here far better because being a person from Parla, I've been coming here almost from the first day that this place must have started.
Hi, I'm Revati.
Hello,
Yeah?
I'm Sagar.
And Veena. Okay, so do you all come here very often?
Yeah, is it we are the regular customers over here actually?
Alright, now the regular customers.
Yeah,
over
ask
here.
them, I
Nice.
can, they'll know it.
Nice to see regular customers.
Yeah.
So what do you all have very often here?
Oftenly we have adrak tea. Generally the tea is made really nice over here.
Probably the combo.
The combo is there right now, the Diwali combo is going on. So
Yeah.
we have that, otherwise we have the fruit bun is nice over here. So we have fruit bun or croissant is very nice over here. So generally these stuff we have, we don't prefer the cold stuff which iced tea and all that we have not yet tasted.
Okay.
So generally these teas are very nice over here.
That so many people have spoken to me about masala chai, I'm too tempted to try it. And here it goes. Okay, with masala chai right now, we have the paneer puff, the vegetable puff, kachoris, dhoklas, mini samosas, bhakarwadis and chocolate Swiss roll. Wow, all of these look amazing. My tea is served and I am gonna try it. Really nice, very refreshing. Well, it goes well with the cold atmosphere out here. Also, it's a very good combination of ginger, lemongrass and mint. And you can actually feel the difference. All the three flavors mixed together. It's very delicious. The tea is good, food is amazing. Total treat to your taste buds. Now that we come to the conclusion of this, let's talk more about the teas they sell out here. Alright? Okay, the thing is, they not only sell normal plastic jars of teas, but they also have different ways of packaging like recyclable tins. Like right here, you see vintage Darjeeling tea, which is supposed to be the strongest of all the teas you have here. Also, there is another tea which is said to be D-Lane. This one. It's got an amazing wood packaging. Isn't that like really cool? Also with these kind of teas, there is a lot of green tea and the regular teas of Wagh Bakri that you find at shops as well. So what are you guys waiting for? Get your family, friends, boyfriends, girlfriends, all those people you know. Have a wonderful time here and go home with a long, broad smile.